Hello my people, welcome to Oba News TV, where we give you the latest news, gist and updates. Do subscribe to this channel for more and more information where we go bring you now. Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has postponed Saturday's governorship and state assembly elections to March 18, 2023. The postponement was due to the Commission's inability to promptly commence reconfiguration of the bimodal voter accreditation system (BVAS) machines utilized during the presidential election to enable their use in the state elections. INEC was restrained from tampering with the information embedded in the BVAS machines until due inspection was conducted and certified through copies issued to candidates who are challenging the outcome of the presidential elections. So, state elections will now hold on March 18, 2023. Now, on a sad note, 3 dead and several injured as train crashes Lagos government staff bus. The unfortunate crash occurred at the PWD bus stop in Ikeja, where 3 persons have been confirmed dead and over 82 persons injured and rushed to the Ikeja Teaching Hospital. In line with this, the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu visited the victims at Lagos State Teaching Hospital, Ikeja. Now let's take a look at politics. The governorship candidate on the platform of Labour Party in Lagos State, Rhodes Vivo, has donated 15 million naira to victims of burnt Ajegule spare parts market. Rather than receive praises, a social media activist has taken to her social media page to drag him. Let's hear what she has to say.
Governor my foot, not in Lagos State, not before Babajide Sanwo-Olu. At least, Pasien Pejideli Mumusin governor, at least he still does his bit. Not you that you can't even listen. Arrogant. All you do is to beat women. You never beat me before. Answer now, Jando. You never beat me before. Even your brother, Baba Shabi, I didn't tell him anything until last year. So, I'm not going to waste money on top Jando like on yourself. People should withdraw. Or you go to polling booth on Saturday and waste your energy. And not waste your dada. And not waste your dada. Play last card. Last card, me mo fẹ́ play. Oh, brain me could have still can't anybody lashes. Where is your wife? So you want to become governor? 3 days to election, we have not seen your wife. So now when you come win, we go come say we get first lady. First lady that never interacted with women. So what do you want to use to even activate women to come out and vote for you? Use your agidi very, very well. I gave you plenty of. Remember last year when they mentioned your name that you came out, I told them to tell you not to waste your money. Go and check yourself into a rehab. Go and fix yourself. You're not a man worthy of being a leader, not even in the council unit. Okay, see you.